Guys, welcome back to Amazing Kids Adventures.
My name's Emmy.
And my name's JJ.
My name's TT.
So what we're doing today is trying different foods from different countries.
So let's get started.
First, we have every burger, and it's crispy and crunchy biscuits, rich chocolate. So open it. And then the first one has red wrapper. That's just every burger. Oh. And it looks like a burger.
And it smells like chocolate.
It does too. I'll wait for Jerry. I'll give this 10.
It's good.
Okay, your turn.
I got milk chocolate.
It's your turn, Kiki.
And then we got the
Japan.
onion Japan chips.
Open them. Oh, here, help. Oh, these help.
Yeah, there we go. And
Oh, they look like onion rings.
And now we can hot memories.
oh no,
I like them. I'll give this an 8.
Tastes fine. Probably the 5.
Okay. These are potato sticks from Japan.
Yeah, from here.
Daddy. Tastes like potato chips.
it does.
I'll give this
I
a 10.
like it. I give it 10 too.
Next, we got the Mojang Mailing Cow and their soft, chewy candy.
And it made from Japan. Ooh. That's the texture of it.
I'm trying to get mine open, so.
Tastes like strawberry. Yeah, it's so
Tastes like
good.
strawberry.
Yeah, it's like strawberry.
It's so good.
Okay, next now we got the
Strawberry flavor Japan drink.
No, how much do we eat? Oh, you take the cap off. Okay, the ball just fell in.
Oh my god, it looks so cool.
It just tastes like Fanta. You want to try? Sure. You can try next, Travis.
Oh, it tastes like strawberry pop.
Your turn, Travis.
Okay, this is another original flavor from Japan. I'm gonna open it.
I got off and pushed it like I had it.
It tastes like Sprite.
It does.
It tastes like Sprite.
Yeah.
Alright, John, what's your turn?
Okay, and this is from Jamaican. We're using this thing, but
Oh!
I don't know what that tastes like. Oh, that kind of tastes like ice cream.
Cream soda.
Yeah.
Cream soda.
Next soda is Jamaican, and it's great. See it.
Oh, this. Here.
Oh.
Here.
Do it on the other side because.
It's like right.
It's like grape Fanta.
I give that a 10.
I get that a 10 too.
Me too. This tastes good.
Bye guys.
Bye, guys.
See you next time.
I hope you see this whole video and enjoy it.